Hey guys, we're live at 10:43 in what I'm sure for many of you has been quite the marathon battle. We're doing Bill's Big Four winner battle. Looks like we have a 77 back Fett. There's a pretty sweet looking 20 back Jawa, a Droids figure, a Chewbacca baggie. We've got it all here on Friday night at Star Wars Battles. There's 4 million spots in this list. No, there's not. There's 170 though. That I'm going to copy and take over to random to find our big old winners. There they are, 170 of them. We got what we need, which is nice. It's nice when there's none missing or anything weird. And this is a perfectly fine 170 spot list. I'm going to roll the dice. Got to get at least a 5, which we did. We got an 8, which means it's on. Good luck, everybody. Raymond in the top spot for our first round. Steve 2. Eric 3. Hans takes round 4 with number 52. Eric again on top, this time with number 102. Hans again on top in round 6 with 121. Moss Majestic. In the top spot for round 7 with number 7, bringing us to the ever important last round, the money round. Here we go, guys. Our winners are Hans, Beetlejuice, Steve, and Mark. Congratulations, fellas. Nice hits. Be had by all on a Friday night battle in Pennsylvania. I think Bill's in Canada. But I'm in Pennsylvania. KPQ UGM. There it is. There's our winners. Neato. I'm done at 10:45. You've just been battled. There it is. Again, here's the official results. Congrats, guys. See you next time. Thank you.